Today's video is sponsored by EC30, single solid dose cleaning for home and body. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jean and I talk about all things intentional and low impact living. Today I'm going to be trying out Waterless home and body product for the first time. So it's actually by EC30 and they're a new company that creates home and body products that are completely waterless. So I'm going to be reviewing these and talking about these as we hop into the video, and I'm going to be kind of giving you guys my honest review and my thoughts on the products. So I got their Try-All Kit, which is their home care and their hair and body kit as well. And what's cool about this is that they actually come in individual little boxes. So this is the sample size. So you get 5 swatches of the body wash, you get 10 swatches of the face wash, you get 5 swatches of shampoo and 5 swatches of conditioner. But it's crazy to think that all of that is like in this box, and it's just cutting down on a ton of waste and water. And the paper is actually compostable as well. It came shipped with paper tape, which is pretty cool. And EC30 really wants to change the way that we are cleaning and just reimagine it and think about how can we create all these different cleaning products for our home and our body without using a ton of water. And by taking out water, they've actually reduced the weight of product by 70%, which is crazy. Because if you think about it, when you're buying shampoos, conditioners, cleaners, and things such as that, it's a lot of water that you're paying for when you're buying these bottles. And usually these bottles are plastic as well. So not only is the plastic bad, but then you're also paying for all of this water. So what's really cool is that you're skipping the water and you're only paying for the concentrate itself. So in terms of ingredients, there's no parabens, phosphates, or fillers. EC30 also partners with the Arbor Day Foundation, which allows EC30 to offset the little amount of waste that is produced during production, shipping, and usage in your home through purchasing tree planting as well as accredited carbon offsets. So I really appreciate that they're thinking about the product from start to finish and like making sure that they're actually leaving a positive impact on the world around them. The first one I'm going to go over is the hair and body kit. It comes with the body wash, face wash, shampoo, and conditioner. And so what's cool about it is that they come in little squares and they have like a proprietary fiber. And so as you can see, you can like bend it easily, and all you do is just put this up under water and you can simply just like lather it onto your skin depending upon what it is. So this is body wash, so you can just put it in your hand, lather it into your hands, and then just like lather it onto your body. But what's crazy is that this is really cutting down on a lot of water waste. So each square is an individual use, so this is a one-time use. And for the trial kit, there are 5 swatches in it, so you can just kind of try it out and see if it works for you. But as you can see, it just has this really cool like fiber, and all you do is wet it. It's pretty cool actually, and I got really into it. And then there's the face wash, which comes in these like cute little squares. Look at that, isn't that so cute? This is really cute. It's a cute little square for the face wash. And then there's the shampoo. And again, you just like lather it with water in your hand. This is the shampoo. It even has like a little mark on it so you know it's shampoo. And you can also just like store this like in a metal tin, which is what I do. And these are really great for traveling as well, because then you don't have to worry about taking up a ton of space in your luggage. And you also don't have to worry about water and when you're traveling and worrying about if there's too much liquid in your bag. So each square is a single dose. So me, for the shampoo, I need like 2 because I have a lot of hair. And then the conditioner, you do get the consistency of conditioner. A lot of these to actually kind of penetrate my hair would be the only downside, but I do love that you're cutting down on the amount of water you're using and the amount of waste you're using as well, and that when it's being shipped to you, it's not taking up as many resources. But I definitely would need a lot more, need this to be thicker or bigger because I just have, you know, a lot of hair. And so that is the hair and body kit, and I'll put the price on the screen as well, and I'll make sure to put the link to all these products in the description box below so you can definitely check it out. And then moving on to their home care kit. Their home care kit includes, let's see, has a toilet cleaner, a surface cleaner, hand wash, and laundry. So the toilet cleaner, dropped it. The toilet cleaner is pretty cool. I just tried it out today. all you do is drop one of these into your toilet and it just like starts to like fizz, and then you can take a brush and like clean your toilet. So there are 5 that come in here, and again it comes in 100% compostable packaging and recyclable, and it's really cool that you're just cutting down the amount of waste and you're not using water, because also you don't want to be spending money on water as well. So that's the toilet cleaner. And then we have the surface cleaner. So the surface cleaner, what you do is you take one of the squares and then you fold it and then you put it inside the glass bottle that comes with it. You fill it up with water, you shake it, and then you have surface cleaner. So again, I think it's amazing that we are kind of getting away from using water-based products and just sticking to the concentrates, because like this is enough for a small bottle of cleaner, and you're just gonna be saving a ton of money in the long run because you're not paying for water. And then they have laundry as well. I haven't used the laundry yet. They come in squares like this, and you would just kind of throw this in the wash like you would any other laundry pod. But again, it's super, super concentrated, which I like, and you're not paying for any water because a lot of pods tend to contain water as well. But this is really great because you're just paying for the concentrate, and it's also just packaged very minimally, and even just displaying it in your home. Like, I love when products are very minimal and it doesn't take up a ton of space, because I know beauty products can take up a lot. So for me, I really like when products don't take up too much space in my home. And then there's also hand wash as well, which it comes in this super cute little box. And all you do is take one of the little hand wash squares, you put it in your hand and you lather it, and then you have hand wash. So these are all single doses of the product, but it's really cool that you can kind of try all of them out and see which ones work for you. And for me, I would definitely say my favorites are the hand wash. I really like the toilet cleaner as well. The body wash is nice because it's pretty concentrated, so you can definitely get a lot all over your body and lather it. But I definitely do think that the future of just like products in general are like moving away from a ton of packaging, a ton of water, a ton of plastic, and just kind of getting down to the bare minimum. Cutting down on carbon emissions and waste are things that I look for when I'm looking at products. They also offer subscriptions, which gives you a huge discount. So I'll put on the screen the amount of money you would get off, but I'll also put all this in the description box below as well. But you can get these sent to you every month. And what's really cool is that you can have these products delivered to your home, and it just comes packaged so small. Like, it's crazy that you can basically kind of get some bathroom products as well as kitchen cleaning essentials for such like a small package, and you're cutting down on so much waste. Let me know in the comment section below which product you would want to try out first. I really, really love the toilet cleaner and the hand wash, but let me know in the comment section below what you think you would want to try first. But I'll also link all this in the description box, so you can go ahead and check out all these products, learn about what they're doing to make the world a better place, and how they're trying to lower their carbon footprint and also reduce waste as well. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.